Welcome back. Mrs. House is still in her house. Okay, but today is my birthday. So after all this tonight, I'm going to eat a cake that I made sometime and celebrate with my family since we can't do much else. Okay, so today is Wednesday 4/8. You can click on that. Today we are going to be doing a lab. Well, watching a lab being done online and collecting the data in a Google form while you are watching the lab. So these are the two things that you need to have open. So first, I'll maybe open the data, the Google data form. Okay, what I recommend is, see how you have the tabs? Take this tab and pull it out separate so that you can have the Google form open at the same time as we have the video open so you can watch it and enter in your data. This is the lab data form, and you'll be recording temperatures every minute in degrees Celsius. While we're watching the video online, I'm going to try to make it go faster. The temperature is listed on the digital readout. I'll show you where to look. In case you need it though, here's the link for the video. So it says, what is the temperatures in degrees Celsius? Sorry, the degree is weird. I can't figure out how to get it up high. 1 minute, then you enter in your number. 2 minutes, and all the way down. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is get set up for your video. So here is the video. Okay, there it is, and we've started our lab. Okay, they start with ice in a beaker. This is a hot plate. Okay, this is a probe. It's just a temperature fancy thermometer, and notice that the temperature is in degrees Celsius. So this is what we'll be recording. Here's the time that we'll be using. Every time it hits a full minute, a whole minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, up to 25 minutes is what we're going. So here's the thermometer going in. So what I've heard is you can change the settings and at least have playback speed go a little faster. Okay, so it's not totally seconds, but we're approaching 1 minute. And when it is 1 minute, there it is, it's 2.1. So what you do in your worksheet is write 2.1 for the temperature at 1 minute. And now we will watch for when it's 2 minutes. Okay, so I'll just speed it up. We can see at 2 minutes, it's 2.1 still. Well, look what's happening. We have some ice, not just ice now. We also have some water that's starting. Okay, and here's 3 minutes. Oh, it's like the same temperature. 1.8 even less. Okay, here's 4 minutes. Oh, there we go. It's starting to warm up a bit. Okay, starting to get more temperature. Look what's happening. We still have some ice. Okay, mixing with the water. Okay, and look what happens at 5 minutes. Here we go, 5 minutes right there. Okay, now let's go up to 6 minutes. Okay, this is what you'll have to do. 7 minutes. Quick. 8 minutes. Can check. 9 minutes. Okay, look what's happening to our water. Ah, no more ice anymore. Look at what's happening to the temperature at the point where there's no ice. Okay, as we go to 10 minutes, here's 10 minutes. Okay, look what's happening at 11 minutes. Okay, looks just like water still, right? Okay, we'll play it so you can start to see. Maybe play it. Okay, well, this looks like computer issues, huh? Okay, so we'll try to go to 12 minutes and there we'll head to 13 minutes. Okay, this is what you will have to do. Here's 14 minutes. Maybe you'll get a few more seconds out of this. Okay, 15 minutes. There we go. Ooh, look what's happening to the temperature. Look what's happening to the water. 16 minutes. There, we're pretty close. Oh, can't quite see the numbers. Oh, I can see the numbers. Oh, just. Okay, we're having some technical difficulties. We'll see if we can make it. Here's 17 minutes. 18 minutes. Here's 19 minutes. Look what's happening to the bubbles. Okay. Here's 20. I think it's gained a lot of energy, right? Those little particles are moving so fast, they have nowhere else to go except jump out of the surface tension. Here's 21 minutes. Here's 22 minutes. Here's 23 minutes. And here's 24. 24 minutes. And see if we can sneak in a 25. Okay, there's 25 minutes, and you can see what's happening to temperature and what is physically happening. So that's what we're going to look at tomorrow, is look at the graph of what physically happened to the ice, changing to water, changing to steam. Okay, back in our agenda, I guess here's a short video for some explanation that you can go to and also see what the words are that they're using that we've used in our Quizlet and on that phase change note worksheet that I will actually pull out, and we'll see that again soon. Hope you have a nice day, and we'll see you tomorrow.